Alright, what is YouTube? It's your boy JJ Cams, and for this video I'm gonna be painting my brakes red again, but I'm gonna show y'all how I paint my brakes, because like before I painted them like a long time ago. I've had them on for like at least like 3 years, I believe, and they still look okay, but I'm trying to like redo them up. But I'm gonna show you how I paint my brakes. Alright, so first thing you gotta do when you wanna paint your brakes, you can't be doing it with the wheel on, right? Common sense, you can't. You just can't. So I'd recommend just taking off the wheel and then jacking it up and taking off the tire, or not, yeah, the rim. Just take off the wheel, and then I'll show you what to do after that. After that, you gotta mask off everything with like some bags, and so you won't get no paint on the rotors and in the inner fender well and everything. So yeah, so the first thing you gotta do is just jack up the wheel, take off the wheel, and yeah, then we're gonna go to prepping, and then we'll go to painting. All right, so I'll see y'all there. All right, so once you got your wheels off, next thing you're gonna do, what I just get some bags and just cover up everything that you don't want to get painted. Sorry, it's hot. I was drinking water. And then just cover everything that you don't want to get painted, and then you just start cleaning it, and then just start spraying. All right. All right. All right. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so this is how I masked it, and yeah, y'all could do it more if y'all wanna, like cover up here, cover everything in here, but this is how I'm gonna do it because I don't want to do everything. So yeah, that's all you gotta do, and then just start spraying, and let's go do some coats, and yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, so the first coat is gonna be like a little mist, then after that you're gonna go even thicker and thicker. But I only got this one can, so you gotta make it last. But yeah, and then I masked it off as good as it could be, and I masked off those little wooty woots. And yeah, let's start painting all the brakes. Good first coat. Drying, you're gonna go back in with another coat, and this one's gonna be a little thicker, just to try to get every area of it. All right, so go back again. Good. All right, so now when you're all done, you let it dry. I've been letting it dry for like a half hour, so now I'm gonna start taking it off, and you are done. Pantan. Pantan. Not the best masking, but hey, came out pretty good. And y'all could do this yourself. Costs like 20 bucks, 10 bucks for the can, $5 for tape, and $5 to go buy food and get some bags at the grocery market. Everybody wins. Alright? Alright, because look at that, guys. Compare this, right? Nice, glossy, very pretty. compared to this. Man, these brakes look stupid clean, man. All right, so we're gonna throw back on. So after you're done with all the brakes, so I did this side, but I'm not gonna show y'all all of it because it's the same process, you know. So just clean it, make sure it's dry, and just start spraying, bro. And look, that's the end result. Looks stupid good. And yeah, so I'm gonna put the wheels on and I'm gonna show y'all in the morning what they look like. But I'm really hyped about this, bro. I made it pop again. Looks nice. All right, so I'll show y'all in the morning with my wheels and my brakes, and I'll show y'all when I'm done with everything. All right.